LG. Smart innovation. New LG Robot Cleaner Hom Bot. Design. Smart. Seamless. Slim. LED display. With LG Hom Bot. Power up. Operated by remote control.
Cleaning begins.
With voice guidance. Dual lower and upper cameras. Upper camera photographs the ceiling for localization and mapping. The lower camera scans the floor for moving distance, enhanced precision and speed. Cleaning only where it has not. Dual cameras for smarter, faster cleaning. Compared to competitors, it maps, targets, and knows exactly where it's going for increased speed and cleaning performance. Smart engineering for multi-stage and level cleaning. First, the side brushes that sweeps corners and edges. Second, the main brush for heavier dirt and dust. Third, the fan picks up more, expels clean air. Fourth, efficient air path for hygiene and less noise. Combined for enhanced performance. Also includes a mop to vacuum and then mop for a shiny finish. Sensors and movement. Anti-collision optical sensors. While other competing robots vacuum too far of a distance from walls or have to collide into walls to turn, the Hom Bot is smart enough to clean right up to the wall and then automatically turn. Also includes stair recognition, cleans under furniture, edge cleaning, over carpets,
Zigzag mode.
complete cleaning with various modes,
Spatial expansion mode. Spiral spot mode.
Smart Resume provides enhanced performance.
Battery is low. Searching for the home station.
Auto recharging and resuming where it left off.
Charging begins. Charging completed.
Low noise, so we can carry on our daily activities without interference. Only an incredible 60 decibels. Scheduled cleaning. 1 to 12-hour timer to automatically and conveniently begin when you leave the home. So your home is spotlessly clean when you return from a hard day's work. Easy disposal. Just pull up and empty. Only with LG Hom Bot.